Hello, in front of me I've got Kingdome Deliverance. In this video I'll show you how to heal your character. As you can see, my character is wounded. Firstly, we have to go to inventory, go to order and find bandages. Bandages can be bought from many merchants. Use bandage to stop bleeding. Once it's done, find innkeeper and go to sleep. Let's go to sleep. As you can see, here is our health indicator. Wait until health is full. Also, if you need to heal quickly, you can drink marigold decoction, Lazarus potion, eat healthy food, drink alcohol. To check if food replenish health, go to inventory, food, and here you've got health indicator for food. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.